What's up everybody, this is Travis from DIY Auto, and today I'm going to be showing you how to clean your leather seats and surfaces with magic erasers. Stay tuned. So as you can see, since it's winter, I haven't really been taking care of my car. I mean, look how dirty that is. I'm disgusting. And these seats, they're just not much better. It's kind of hard to see, but you can see they are getting pretty dirty. And even if it doesn't look dirty, like even if you have a black interior, you can still, the dirt will affect and it's going to cause this cracking. Now these cracking was here way before I got the vehicle, but I'd like to try to keep it as nice as I possibly can. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So to start, I'm going to take the magic eraser and I'm going to put it just in a hot water just to get it so it's not dry, and let that soak for a second. Now what I'm going to do is I have this spray bottle. This isn't glass cleaner, I just use the bottle. It's just Dawn dish soap and water, warm water. I'm just going to use that to kind of loosen up the dirt a little bit. I'm just going to put that to spray. You don't want to over moisturize the seats, just kind of get them a little wet. Alright, now that that's soaking, I'm going to take my magic eraser. I'm going to squeeze out most of the water. It's still going to be wet. And then I'm just gonna start section to section. So I'm gonna do this bolster, then the center, then this bolster, just so I can make sure I get every spot. And I do circles. You can do whatever you'd like, but just make sure you get in all those cracks. And always check your sponge to make sure you're not pulling up any dye or anything, just in case your seats might have been dyed or re-dyed recently. But let's get these cracks. Don't try to over rub on these cracks because you won't be able to get the darker cracks out. They're just there. The leather's already damaged there, so there's no opportunity to try to get them out. All right, and the driver's seat's done. So this is probably the dirtiest surface here, so I'm gonna go over this one and then I'm just gonna let you guys kind of see close up what this magic eraser can do. Just like new.